So when you make the man them do them work, too much crime. I take over, yeah, some people are going like say, and them are the lie, you know. See the liar! And they must take it by truth. Take on by truth. High and low place. God they on the throne. And if God they on the throne, this need to clean up.
When you hear that, my viewers, me have the rest of the video they phone see. The Rasta man there say JFJ for Gwe and low the police them. Where were they when the future of Jamaica did a lose them life? All of a sudden, when the gun bag them a drop on them face, them want run out and protest in a halfway tree. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. JCF just add a next dopey to them name a Ad+Baba. Plus the video their road with Shamar Riley. A run theme life. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this.
Batty boy and nobody. But man, we had to go lick out them a batty hole. All dog shit. All stray with dog. Dave one mute my boy, go suck your mama again.
One ratty girl.
Suck your mama again, may I tell you that.
One Spain town, one common badness.
Yeah,
violence we are dealing with.
May I deal with violence too. A violence may I deal with, go suck out your mama again. And that may I deal with violence. Lock off the music.
Get your speed on my side,
violence may I deal with, so lock off the music, batty boy. Suck your mama. A violence may I deal with. Come on, tell them on a fear. Boy.
Yo, go find the little boy up here. Go find the little boy up here.
Right now, go find the beard. Go suck out your mama.
Go feed the phone. Go feed the phone.
Suck your mama. Lick out your mama. Batty boy. Suck out and their mother.
I'm out
suck out and their mother, batty boy.
You're laughing thing dog. Push the gun in your face and squeeze off. Squeeze off, leave more in my feet. Cause you're the cheap.
Boy, you know me.
When you hear that, my viewers, so before I go any further, I drop a public service announcement. Me nah no sympathy for no gunman. Me nah no sympathy for no rapist. Me nah no sympathy for no boy where mash up the community them. Me nah no sympathy for no Dan and no general. Cause you see enough of uno walk with sympathy pa uno forehead as a little man lose them life pan TikTok so. The whole of una run out and a talk about bad mind and a TikTok are the problem. TikTok is no problem. A them youth are the problem. When them come off of them live, them have a life, you know. When you think the man them live on TikTok all the days of them life, eh? The youth them involved in a badness and a make talk. And when the app run program and come bust out them head pan TikTok, the whole of una run out and I go and like say them was a good youth. Like them never do nothing yet in them life. So as I say, I don't have no sympathy for gunman, no sympathy for pressers or crash dummy where I met Dan and General use them. My sympathy are for the future of Jamaica and for the old people them. So all who want run out and go shed tear for menace to society, good luck to uno. Me not have time for that, cause a part of life, a badness the thing name, and them youth and know where them did a sign up for. So if you sign up for badness and left your head back careless, don't blame me, blame yourself. Some of viewers wanna walk with me and now, me go show you the video where we see police are run down Shamar Riley. Pre this. When you see that, my viewers, What do you think about that video there? The video that with Shamar Riley, you know, the youth from Cockburn Gardens, you know, where police fling a 9 ball in him head and pronounce him, you know, and say a shootout, you know. The video they are road right now. Everybody attack right now. I say see it there. It no look like no shootout. But my people, none of we no know what take place when the police them walk go behind the wall there. None of we no know if Shamar Riley rip off a matic or not. So you see when me would I like to know why Shamar Riley did a run. Eh? A lot of people, if you no look on the video good, when Shamar Riley reach the gate, before him reach the gate, him drop. And when him a get up back, it look like him a wall up him waist. Where him did have in him waist? Eh? Cause the video no tree clear, you know, so that we can see everything clear, you know, cause we don't know a night settings. Some of viewers, what you no think about that video, yeah? You no think the youth drop innocent for true? Or no think say when him run go round there so we could see him rip off a matic and engage in a shootout with squaddy them, and squaddy them did have to pronounce him in a real life? Uno make me know my viewers and walk with me and now. But we see JCF, other next dopey to them name a Ad+Baba. Brawling me I tell you no. Dead boy pan grung, lay down flat pan the Freetown main road. See it ya? TC taco no can run from you know. Or no can hide from you know. JCF a clean up the country. When you hear that, cause when I tell you in other reviews, you know. In a last year, how much people are dropped on them face. And everybody did a blame JCF. I say JCF need to take back the country. And now the man them step up them badness and I take back the country. Everybody a ball though. JFJ a Black Road though. And a protest with Gvnman though. So as what I say, JCF other next dopey to them name. Flicker next Gvnman bat out of Ad+Baba. Some of viewers, I'm going to make you listen to the Rasta man here, you know. Carlos, forward from St. Mary. And he must say, people them for low JCF make them do them walk a road. You know see how much gun bag they boy ya. You know see how much dance and general there road where a program youth for fight unnecessary war. Some of people, listen to what the Rasta say. And tell me what you think about this. Until next time, you see me?
So you make the man them do them work. Too much crime. I take over ya some people go like say, and them are the lie, you know. See the liar! And they must take it by truth. Take on by truth. High and low place. God upon the throne. And if God upon the throne, this need to clean up. And the children them need to walk with pride and dignity. And them can't do it because we have some predator. I get to them and stop them in them track before time. These are the law of the earth. And if the law can't carry out the work in peace without interruption, somebody got to go. Someone got to go.
Where is it to them now?
Do your work with respect, pride, and dignity. Let no man stop you know, from execute righteousness upon earth. Who know the law? No other law, no let go do no. Back down. Thief and murderer are going to become the law. And no come back down. Regardless the talk I want to hear. Stand up for the country and move the hands of wicked from around us. We don't care who them is. No one is above the law. No one is above the law of God. We shape the heaven, your mind, the earth, the new heaven and the new earth, where we are going to repair and rectify. Me I shape the kingdom of the wicked and put the grace of God upon the throne. Jamaica need to repair the damage. Damage mama, damage papa, and damage fitness. All let loose in the kingdom and do all manner of evil. It must be a stoppage to that. If your mama can't control your son and your papa can't control your son, well the law